Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Monday, 27 June 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold rates in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 karats gold without VAT price is 222.13 and with VAT price is 255.45. For 1 gram price of 22 karats gold with VAT is 203.92 and with VAT is 234.51. For 21 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 194.37 and with VAT is 223.53. For 18 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 166.60 and with VAT is 191.59. For 14 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 129.95 and with VAT is 149.44. For 10 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 92.63 and with VAT is 106.52. Last but not the least, for the 6 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 55.53 and with VAT is 63.86, keeping in mind that the VAT rate in Saudi Arabia is 15% out of 100. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.